How to add the weather temperature widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel, that is the lock screen panel. In here, tap on the Add Widgets panel at the bottom here. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Weather. Next, make sure you are on the temperature screen and then tap on it. And that will allow you to add in the weather temperature widget to your lock screen. After that, tap on the Close button. Then tap on the Close button again to close the Add Widgets pop-up. And then tap on the Done button. And then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And from here, you should be able to view the temperature directly on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.